may not say this every day, but we see you as our nurses and we thank you. We thank you for your selflessness, commitment, and dedication. May you also remember that your work changes lives and that your compassion heals wounds physically, or heals wounds that are not physical. You know, when you have the elderly coming to our facilities, ungangamnika amaphilisi umuntu omdala noma umnikeze iphilisi kodwa umebuye ekhaya umbuzo ukuthi uhambe kanjani uqala into yokuqala nje ayokutshela yona kusukuthi uthole liphi iphilisi uyokutshela ukuthi yazi yangiphatha kahle ingane ebingibuka uthi yazi yangiphatha kahle ingane ebingibona ngisale sengimxoxela nokuthi ngamxoxela nokuthi ubusuyabuzukubukayela ngalokho nje kodwa it tells you because uthe efika wathola indlela enhle yokwamukeleka. We want to say to you, continue with that work. We want to say to you, our people appreciate that kind of treatment. You treat our elderly the way you would want your parents to be treated. You treat our children the way you would want your children to be treated. That is what we want. That is what we want to encourage. And as the province of KwaZulu-Natal, ngoba nisebenza kahle kanjalo, we want to say to you, Happy Nurses Day. We are here for you. We are here to work for you. And we are here to champion your interests.